Now let's see how we can extract a company's data such as phone number, emails, fax, etc. So we will going to use a tool called Web Data Extractor. Okay, so head up to its website webextractor.com, and if you scroll down you will see two options, purchase and download. Okay, simply click on download. It will redirect you to the download page, and here you will see two different options. The first one is the pro version, okay, and another one is 8.3. so we have to download the second one. Simply click on this link and the downloading will start. Okay, but I am not going to download this again, right? I have installed it on my PC, the same version, right, that is 8.3. now let's open this and go to new. Type your target URL here. Okay, so let's target certifiedhacker.com. okay, leave these options to default, and here you can see that it asking you that what kind of information you want to extract. Okay, so let's select these three options and click on OK, and now click on start. So it's extracting the data, and here you can see that it found one email address. Okay, 4 email address. Okay, the process is not yet completed. These are the contact numbers, these are fax, right? So this is how this tool works. Although you can extract these data manually as well, okay, but for that you have to visit every single page of that website and then find the data. Maybe the phone number is located at the top, or sometime at the bottom of the website, or sometimes it is located in the mid of the website. So this tool will make your job much easier. Okay, see, so this is how this tool actually works.